Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I'm at Bear Lodge, just doing a quick tutorial on the television. When you power on the TV, you've got the Cableone box. You use the upper left TV button to turn it on. And you've got the cable power right here. We've got a DVD player that is right here. And when you cycle through, the Cableone happens to be set to input 5. So right here on the bottom left, input 5. And so when you go through input 1, and we get hung up on the TV, and then you push the button again, it goes to input 1. Input 1 is the DVD player that's here, which happens to be a Toshiba player. So you've got the Toshiba remote that's right there. And then as you scroll through, input 2, input 3, input 4, input 5 gets you back onto Cable 1. And then you can continue watching Cable 1. And then you can hit the enter button if you wanted to, or it will actually just have it where the TV will default back to normal. And there you go, Smokey and the Bandit. So if you've got any further questions, you can reach out to us. Office number is 208-634-0030.